A very warm welcome, and this is Phil Weaver Automotive, situated between Preston and Southport at Merebrow. Phil has been in business over 30 years and has over 200 5-star reviews. This is our privately purchased, so we purchased this straight from the owner, 2017 BMW 3-door 125d 8-speed automatic with lots and lots of extra nice features. It's covered 18,800 miles and it is the mineral white with the red heated coral leather and these upgraded hybrid black alloys and high gloss front grills. Also with front and rear park assist, satellite navigation, Bluetooth telephone and rear privacy glass. This is sure to look extremely pretty sat on your drive, or when you're sat in the car driving it around the countryside of Great Britain and the UK. Beautiful car, really attractive. You've got these daylight running lights and you've also got the Xenon headlights as well, automatic of course, automatic wipers, matching tyres, all in fantastic condition, and the wheels are freshly sandblasted and powder coated with the M Performance brake package, which actually is quite a big improvement over the standard brakes actually. I was very impressed when I drove the car back. M style badges of course, high gloss around the wing mirrors, and that goes around the windows, and then of course you've got the privacy glass just there. So a nice attractive car. It's a 3-door, twin exhausts, run flat tyres, very rare as a 125. Not many 125s available currently in the UK, so a very nice car. And it's one of these cars that when you buy it as a used vehicle, you get all the benefits of a car that's well over 30,000 new for almost half price. And yet you're getting a vehicle that's done under 20,000 miles. It has been serviced by BMW. You've still got BMW warranty until next year. I think it's April or May time next year. So it's had all the benefits of the extras that I've mentioned, the privacy, the nice alloy wheels, the M Sport wheels, M Performance braking. How about this for the interior? Wait till you see the interior. Let me just straighten the steering wheel. Look at that for an interior, absolutely stunning. I don't think the back seats have had much wear at all actually. You've got the darker headlining as well. Absolutely awesome. Sliding front centre armrest, paddle shift, so it's the 8-speed automatic gearbox with the paddle shift option. Electric windows, electric heated mirrors of course. There's carbon fibre trim which goes around the dashboard as well. It's available with our free UK delivery. Anywhere in the country we'll deliver the car free to your home or office. We just ask for a small deposit of £250 and then we have the balance from you upon we've actually arrived at your address. So once we've arrived at your home or office and you've had a drive or had a look around the car, then we expect you to pay by bank transfer, but not before. Although some people do pay before, so but we don't ask for payment up front. It's available with car finance, part exchange, and we are open 7 days a week. We just ask that at the weekend you telephone ahead before you travel. Beautiful car. You've got USB and AUX ports just inside there, and that does slide as well, so that's a nice feature. There are no smells in the car, no animal or tobacco smells, and everything that we have got, such as the 2 keys, will be passed to the new owner. We do have a service pack and we have a digital print for the service history, which was done this year by BMW. So beautiful car, M design sport steering wheel, brushed aluminium that goes around in a Y shape, and then it sort of goes around the controls here, cruise control and speed limiter. And although it hasn't been activated, voice activation may be able to be activated by BMW or a specialist dealer. If you just ask them, it'll be a software linking it to the voice activation, so you can do everything with the Bluetooth phone, but you can't call up your phone book from the button here. So if you wanted that activated, it may be able to be activated, but I'm not sure. Okay, paddle shift, that's your up gear, up shift, and your minus for down gear. You've basically got a phenomenal gearbox. I first encountered this back in 2013. I was absolutely amazed it was 8-speed back in 2013. Some of the more sort of Audis and the Mercedes have only just been getting up to 8 and even 9 gears on some of the Mercedes now, but this has been proven over many years to be a very robust, almost unbreakable, possibly unbreakable gearbox. So yeah, very good box as well. So just to give you a quick demonstration, so just there's a button on the side. You just squeeze the button in, and then at the same time bring the gear selector into D for drive, and that goes D for drive just there, and you drive the car forward. If you want to go into manual mode on the gear selector, you just literally go across once, and that locks it into sport mode. What you do then to come out of the sport mode, if you wanted to, just move the gear selector forward, and that brings it into manual 1. So let me just show you keeping it there. So I'm going to go across into manual, which is S1, sport 1, but it wouldn't be in sport 1 obviously if you were moving, but it would be in S4 or S5, and then just shift the gear selector forward, and that puts it into manual 1. So you've got 3 options. You've got automatic fully, sport mode, which is a manual mode. Just going to put it back into neutral and P for park, and you've got the manual mode, and you've also got obviously the ability not to remove your hand off the steering wheel, and just by using the paddle shifts. So you've got a whole range of options with the gearbox, which will take you a little bit to get used to, but have a play around with it. Very good, the manual mode in the winter in icy conditions. I'd recommend it in icy conditions, going down a hill, particularly down slopes. It means that you don't need to hit the brakes quite as often, so obviously reducing the risks of any slides or skids. Okay, also available is, once you've put it into neutral, you just press the P for park and it automatically locks it, and obviously for extra security just bring the handbrake up there. That is your wheel and various options, if you can just see them there, for the control. So if we go into menu and quickly show you the menu, let's go down to vehicle information, press on the big wheel. I know you can't see me doing this, but I'm pressing down the big wheel. Can you see the vehicle status there is ticked? If you just twist it, you can move it up to wherever you want. We'll just keep it on vehicle status, and then we go down to service requirements, and then go up to service history, and there you are. That was serviced in July, 18,000 miles, so not even 1,000 miles ago. So I've purchased the car, we purchased the car, should I say, straight from the private owner, so it hasn't been bought through an auction or a company. It was the owner's private vehicle. So you've got your navigation, of course. Then you're moving down here, you still get a CD slot, so those of you that are old enough to have CDs, you'll be delighted with that. Heated seats, 3-stage seat heating for both front seats, which is very welcome in this chilly weather we seem to be entering into at the moment. And you can also go further of an enhancement. You can go to sport through the suspension and the response of the car, and Eco Pro and comfort. Parking sensors are just there. Let me just show you the parking sensors. That's your display, and you'd have the same for the front once you're getting near to an obstacle at the front. So there we go, 18,881 miles, and she looks absolutely stunning. So get in touch with us here at Phil Weaver Automotive. I've just noticed as I'm getting out the car, it failed to mention it's also got Harman Kardon speakers. So you've got the Harman Kardon speakers as well. So So that's our 2017 17 plate 125 3-door M Sport with over £3,000 of option fitted to the vehicle. It's available now from Phil Weaver Automotive. Get in touch with Phil 7 days a week. Please ring before you travel. Okay, have a fantastic day, and we hope to hear off somebody on this beautiful 125d M Sport very, very soon indeed. Thank you.